And what page is Manuel Ramirez on? Thank you. And are there applications?
No, Your Honor.
All right, probation, there are no applications. Court is calling 2025 CR 13930, State versus Manuel Moses Ramirez. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Sean Sheffield for defendant. We're ready, Your Honor.
All right. And are you Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. All right, I'm trying to find your true bill of indictment. All right. Yeah, it's not here. All right, thank you. Oh, no, found it. It was stuck to another document. All right, Mr. Ramirez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
Your client needs to sign that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem. All right, your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramirez, has anyone threatened you,
No,
coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
no, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes,
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand
I
it?
did, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 12 months in the state jail facility. There's $1,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
No.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both
I
places?
did.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Guilty,
Guilty.
not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offer State's Exhibit 1 and all attached with.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sure did, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
No.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We had asked you, so yeah.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we just asked the court to follow the recommendation.
All right, the court will sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrently, and I'll suggest the therapeutic community for you.
Thank you, Judge.
The therapeutic community doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. It's just to help you with your sobriety. I do not have the authority to force them to place you in the program or order them to place you in the program. They'll just see on the judgment that I'm recommending that for you. When you get to the state jail facility, you'll have to request it as well. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. How old are you?
I'm 41.
All right, you're 41. If you continue on the path that you're on, only one or two things are going to happen. Either you're going to end up being in prison or the Bexar County Jail or somebody's jail for the rest of your life, or either you're going to end up using, and the last time you use may be the last time you use, because you never know if you're going to overdose, if somebody didn't make it correctly or what. You understand? Because the people who are selling that, they're usually not concerned about the person, because otherwise maybe they wouldn't be doing it. It's usually selfish reasons, all right? When you're released from custody, if you can't find a place that can help you with your sobriety, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone and I'll see if I can find transitional housing for you.
I appreciate it.
And in that police report, I saw that you were with someone. You can't help somebody until you help yourself.
Right.
So if they're using, it's not good for you to be around them because they're gonna feed into your use, all right?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you,
Thank you.
counsel. All right, can I see the parties on Malik Lampkin, please? Probation, this is a motion to revoke.
Good morning, Your
Good morning. All right, the court is calling 2019 CR 7765 State versus Angel Joel Guerrero. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Ashley Jones for the state.
Here, Corby for, Mr. Varela, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Varela?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? And did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Angel Joel Guerrero who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 7765 for the offense of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault on June 13, 2022 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. We are going to go forward on violation of condition number 1 from the supplement on first amended motion to revoke. That is on or about the 17th day of March, 2024 in Yuma County,
Oh,
Arizona.
I'm so sorry. I don't have the supplemental.
Oh.
All right, did you review the supplemental motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney as well?
That's the one I signed, correct?
No. It's telling you.
Oh, yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right, the supplemental motion is telling you what allegations the state is saying that you committed that are a violation of your probation. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review the supplemental with your attorney as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, they're just gonna get that for me because I don't have it. All right, thank you. Sometimes it gets lost in the system. Thank you. All right, state, you may proceed. Oh, it's still the First Amendment. I thought you said supplemental.
No. I corrected first amended, Your Honor.
Then I have that. All right, let's proceed.
All right, on or about the 17th day of March, 2024 in Yuma County, Arizona, the defendant Angel Joel Guerrero committed the offense of aggravated driving under the influence in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And the state will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. The proposed agreement is that the court grant the the state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt, revoke the community supervision, and sentence the defendant to 3 years in the Texas Department of Corrections.
All right. Is that what you're requesting, counsel?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Angel Joel Guerrero.
All right. What have you completed on probation?
Well, Your Honor, on probation, I was going to work, being a law-abiding citizen, just trying to do my best to stay out of the way. Be a good father to my kids. And really just my cousin, he passed away. I was really close to him.
Just talking real quick.
Yes.
While I'm thinking of this, when we signed the paperwork, I told him he did have a limited right to an appeal, and you did
Yeah.
ask him if he was waiving his right to appeal. So can I just explain to him what that means?
Sure.
Yes. Okay.
All right. So what have you completed?
Having a job and being there for my kids.
I mean, everybody does that.
And while I was in prison, I completed anger management classes. I completed a cognitive behavior classes.
So you've been sentenced on the other cases?
Judge, he was sentenced to up to 2.5 years in Yuma, Arizona. I believe he did a 1.5 years. If I'm reading the
Do
judgment,
you know that cause number?
yes. You ready?
Yes.
It's number S1400CR 2024000523.
All right. So you completed cognitive and that was while you were in custody?
It was just anger management
Cognitive anger management, there's another one.
and behavior analysis.
And that was while you were in custody?
Yes.
And that happened while he's on probation.
Okay. All right. This is what the court will do. The court is finding violation of condition number one true, and that's the violation with regards to aggravated driving. The court will grant the state's motion, revoke, sentence you to 3 years in the prison. This will run concurrently with S1400. Did you say CR?
Yes, Your Honor.
CR 2024000523. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Liliana Martinez. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There is a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And according to your plea bargain agreement, there's no outstanding restitution. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Not from the state.
Judge, it's just he wants me to make sure he's getting his back time for all the time he did Bear County, which I know I think he's entitled to, right?
Yes.
And then you're giving him his credit for the time that he served on this case in Yuma?
Yes, and it's running concurrently. And legally, I must give you credit for any time served.
Okay.
So that's, sometimes I don't say it because it's automatic and your attorney knows that it's automatic. But sometimes we forget that people who are not in the legal field don't know. So the record is clear. You're entitled to credit for any time served that you're in custody on this case. and you're entitled for any credit for any time that you were in custody out of state, as long as this warrant was pending. So if there was not a warrant pending and you were doing time somewhere else, then you're not entitled to that credit. Once a motion to revoke was filed on this case, then you're entitled to credit from that point. And your attorney will check to make sure that that is accurate. All right, and if for some reason you go to prison and you find that it's not accurate, what will usually happen is we will receive a letter, it will be reviewed. And usually if everything is correct, what you're saying, someone will double check it. And then when they double check it, I'll sign a motion or an order granting you any time that you feel that's appropriate. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that's proven to be appropriate. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go with the record. Do better. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself living your life in somebody's prison or somebody's jail. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
You're
Merry
welcome.
Christmas.
Judge.
Thank you. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Anaya, gift for